The Finnish chitara or gnocchi board. Yeah. Follow the videos to see how we use this. Yukon Gold potatoes. Okay, once your potatoes cool off and they air dry, they're gonna look like this. Then you take them and you put them through a grater or a ricer. I don't have a ricer here, so I'm gonna be using a grater in this kitchen. You just go through like this, very fast, very easy. Takes very minimal effort. Yeah, just like this. That's what I'm looking for, right there. Just like this. Okay, we got the pasta dough going right there. When you're all done, your potatoes look like this. And you add them to the pasta dough. Okay, the finished dough right here for my potato dumpling. Looking good. Gonna put a little flour down here. Put this dough down. And work it around a little bit like this. Oh, looking really good. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to form it into smaller pieces that you can work with. Like this. Move this one out of the way. By the way, your sponsor, that's where you can get the giant maple cutting board made in America. I like it. Okay, I take the and I roll it a little smaller than 1 inch. About like this. Okay, this is looking good. All right, so now we take our scraper and cut this into small pieces. About like this. Bite size, dumpling size pieces like this, okay? Cut them very quickly. Okay, just like this. We put a little flour on them again. Touch more flour is a good idea. And now, chitara. You just take the pasta like this, the small dumplings, and you roll it with your hand to get the pattern. That right there, gnocchi. Put a little flour on my board here. Okay, each one gets rolled like this. Very nice. You want them to be about consistent. However, you want to also go quickly. Don't want to spend a lot of time making these. Just going to take time anyway because there's so many of them. Just like this, all about the same size. The really nice potato gnocchi. And here's some of the gnocchi pastas that I made. Looking pretty good. Again, visit your sponsor. Get the awesome cutting board, rolling pins. Nice. It's gonna be good.